Folks, you know that feeling when you need to issue certificates to your students, and it turns into hours of manual work. You're copying names one by one, exporting PDFs, sending individual emails, and hoping you don't mess up anyone's name. Yeah, I've been there too, and it's a massive time sink. But recently I discovered this platform called Certifier. It might be one of the best solutions I've found for creating and sending professional documents at scale. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how to design, customize, and distribute certificates in minutes. We'll go step by step, from setting up your first template to sending personalized credentials automatically. No design skills or coding needed. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. And stick till the end, because I've got a special promo code for you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about what Certifier actually does. It's a platform that helps you design, issue, manage, and track digital certificates and badges at scale. Think of it as your complete management system that handles everything from design to delivery. Friends, the tool is used by over 2,000 organizations worldwide, including companies like Amazon, Stanford, and Duolingo. Over 10 million credentials have been issued through this solution so far, which tells you something about how reliable it is. This solution is perfect if you run online courses, workshops, or webinars. The real game changer here is automation. Instead of manually creating each certificate, you design one template, upload a spreadsheet with recipient names and emails, and Certifier handles everything else. Your recipients get branded, verifiable credentials they can share on LinkedIn with one click, download as PDFs, or verify through QR codes. The platform also tracks engagement in real time. And what really stands out is the free plan, with 250 certificates available. Alright folks, let's walk through how Certifier actually works. I've recorded several short clips to show you each step in action. In the first part, I start right from the dashboard, so you can see what the interface looks like. From here, I go to the Designs tab, click Create Design, and choose Certificate Design. Certifier instantly shows a gallery of professional templates. I scroll through a few, pick one that fits my brand, and then start playing around with the design tool. I upload my logo to make it look more personal, add my own title, and adjust the layout just a bit to match my style. Another cool feature here is the QR code. You can easily add it anywhere on the certificate, so recipients can verify it instantly. It gives the whole design a more professional and trustworthy feel. Once I'm happy with everything, I hit Preview to check how it will look when sent out. The template looks great, so I click Create Design, and Certifier generates it automatically. Finally, I save it. And that's it for the first step. The template is ready to go. Now in the next part, I move on to creating an email template. I switch to the email section, click Create Email Template, and choose Credential Delivery. Guys, a default email layout appears. I replace the logo, adjust the text, and personalize it using attributes. But I want to make it personalized. That's why I click inside the greeting field, open the Attributes menu, and select Recipient Name, so each email includes the person's actual name. When everything looks good, I click Create Email Template and send a test email to myself. The message arrives instantly with proper branding and personalization. Everything works perfectly. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, my friends, I'll show how to organize recipients into groups. From the main dashboard, I open Groups, click Create Group, and name it something like IT Course. In the Appearance section, I select the certificate I just created, then fill in event details, type, level, and format. I can also add duration, price, even a link to the event page if needed. After that, I click Create Group, and it's successfully created. I also select the email template I've just made, so the certificates will be sent with the right branding and personalization. Finally, I move to the Credentials section. I click Issue Credentials, and Certifier gives me two options: add recipient manually or upload spreadsheet. Now, this part is really important. I choose the Excel option because that's where the real magic happens. This feature lets you automate the entire process, instead of adding each recipient manually. You simply upload your spreadsheet with names and emails, and Certifier does the rest for you. The platform automatically validates all the data, showing if each email is correct and ready to go. Once everything looks good, I click Next Preview to check how the certificates will appear for each person. Everything looks perfect, so I confirm and send them out in just one click. Then I open the credential view to show the final result, recipient's name, event details, all in place. Certificates can be sent individually or in bulk, and the process is quick, automated, and super smooth. To make sure everything works smoothly, I also send a test email to myself. Then I open my inbox to show you how it looks. Personalized details and the certificate link right there, ready to open or share. Alright folks, let's talk about why this actually matters for your workflow. Manual certificate creation is slow and error-prone, taking hours for small batches and days for large ones. Certifier handles all of that in minutes because you upload once, customize once, and send once. The platform integrates with over 5,000 tools through Zapier, Make.com, and Pipedream, plus native integrations from Google Sheets to Salesforce. Everything is white label, which means you control the branding completely with a custom domain, custom email sender, and branded recipient portal. The analytics dashboard tracks everything from open rates to share rates, and you can even edit certificates after sending them. Pricing is transparent with no surprise fees and no annual contracts required, plus a free tier with 250 documents forever. Alright friends, let's wrap this up. Certifier is one of those tools that solves a real problem elegantly. And if you issue certificates for courses, workshops, or training programs, it can save you hours of manual work. What I really like is that it keeps everything consistent and professional. Every document looks clean, accurate, and on brand without putting in more effort. Plus, you can track engagement, see who opened or shared their credential, and scale easily as your audience grows. Go ahead and create a free account to try it out with your next batch of certificates. You'll see how much smoother it feels once automation takes over. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. And as promised, here's your promo code Daniel15 to get a discount. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.